In this video, I am going to show you how to fix no audio devices installed on Windows 10 or 11. The first method is to run the audio troubleshooter. The built-in audio troubleshooter in Windows can automatically diagnose and fix various sound issues, and here's how to run it. Right-click on the speaker icon on the system tray. Select Troubleshoot Sound Problems, and this will launch the Get Help app. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your system for audio issues and let Windows attempt to fix them automatically. And the second method is to update the audio driver. Right-click on the Windows logo on your PC to open the Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Ensure that your output device is listed. If not, click on View, then select Show Hidden Devices. Right-click on your audio device and then select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. Check to show compatible hardware options and then wait for the Windows to finish installing the drivers. Close the Device Manager and check for any improvements in your audio. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.